Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Suzuki SX4, stock reference number 4023. This shape runs from the second month 2007 through to the first month 2014. It has a J20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. J20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard flared type, appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Unfortunately nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard flared type, appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke grey steering wheel with with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.